That is not enough. The government has come up to say Tebalina Sente, and people should fork out 2 million Ugandan shillings to be connected to electricity. Tariq, we were talking about that earlier today. Netwebuza, if this is one of the services that government is supposed to provide to its people, but now people are being asked to pay 2 million Ugandan shillings to be connected. But because that's where we're going to right now. And these are questions that we're asking ourselves as we are fighting to get the vaccine. We have come back to a position where government is saying, Tetulina Sente, the connection right now, whoever wants electricity, Mugena Sasura Center. Now let me read for you the charges. Under the policy that we had earlier, when people would pay what, 20,000 Ugandan shillings to have it started. But right now what is going to happen is that applicants will have to part with around 730,000 Ugandan shillings to 2 million for non-pole and single pole connections. So if the non-pole and single pole connections are different. If you need a pole, there's an amount that you're going to pay that is higher for the person who doesn't want the pole and has somewhere to connect it. So if you have somewhere to connect it, you're paying 730. If you don't have and you want a new pole, you're paying 2 million Ugandan shillings. Now that's not enough. On top of that, you're going to pay transportation fees for those people ranging from 50,000 to 210, depending on where bagenda kutera pole, bagenda linya motoka nechi mafuta gagenda kuvawa. And then the meter test fee is going to be 8,000 Ugandan shillings, and you're going to pay another 41,300 Ugandan shillings. Please get a calculator. It's not only 2 million anymore. It's not only 2 million anymore. You have surpassed the 2 million. So let's start from the 2 million of no pole.
2 million.
Yeah, 2 million Ugandan shillings. Tariq, we'll get no calculation. I'm not sure how good in mathematics Chris is. And then we have another pay of, let's get the highest, because we know that most of the places, most of the places that don't have electricity are the rural places, town to linear electricity. So for that person to travel from town to village, you're supposed to pay 210.
Main road,
210. Those ones because you need 2 poles.
So
and then for the transportation you need 210,000. 50 is nearby. 50 is in town service. Because we're talking about out of town service. If you're far, 210,000 Ugandan shillings. Katiovel, you're going to pay 8,000 Ugandan shillings for meter test fee, and then 8,000. And then you're going to pay 41,300 for meter inspection fee. So there's meter fee and there's meter inspection fee.
Meter inspection fees
is 41,300. Kati add up for me to have how much Ugandans. Thank you. For them to have electricity. Yataddewo 2 trees. Electricity poles. So we're not keeping tabs anymore. 8,000. No, don't scare us more than we are. Simon Chris Makanga. Now all. There you go.
Initially, project can Uganda. Project eya electricity connection policy yatandika mu 2018. Yali yakugwa 2023, I think around there. Nga bambanyi nti ebyalo byonna byetulina mu Uganda, which constitutes about emitwalo 7 mu 6 mu 26 byonna nga bina amasanyalaze. Is it by 2023 or 2020? Around there. Ne project chenso kumanyamanya tandika 2018 nga Latifa bwagambye bwe nosasula emitwalo egyo ebiri gyokka nga bikimu kikolebwako naye
abantu ba applying abangi.
Yes, naye olw'ekirwadde kya COVID-19 eyali omwogezi wa KCCA kati ayogerawo mmeme Peter Kawuki yavaayo n'atangaza n'agamba nti budget eyo bagikwata ne baweeyinga priorities mu ggwanga amasanyalaze n'okulwanyisa COVID ne bazikwata ne baziwa task force balwanyise COVID mu ggwanga. So sente zammwe ezaali zirina okubayambako okulwanyisa amasanyalaze bazikwata ne baziwa COVID-19 task force okulwanyisa COVID-19 mu ggwanga. Kati era tuvola abaliriza oti nze kweno budget nti oba oyagala amasanyalaze, this is what we should opt.
Simon Chris Latifa kasonga babuze ekibuuzo. Government erina kukolera ki abantu baayo?
Water is one of them, and it's very essential for wherever you go. Road network is very essential for wherever you go. Government needs to provide road network. Healthcare is very important for the government to provide free services for its citizen on healthcare. Electricity is part of the deal when you're coming into a government, when you're being the president, when you're forming a government. Healthcare, security, all those things are part of the package.
Kyadagamu amasanyalaze, enguudo n'amazzi.
Three factors that determine development of a place.
Batugyeeko amasanyalaze.
Now, yeah, there's a silver lining. Mbagambye, for those who are waiting for free government electrification, mulino okulindako, and those who want your electricity so fast that you can't wait, then opt for this. I know, that is the question. Only COVID? Only COVID-19? I think it's more than that. No, but when Simon Chris says until COVID you don't know when there'll be an end to COVID-19. It could take over 5 years to fight COVID-19.
Amawulire amatuufu gali nti project eno ya electricity connection policy yatandika 2018 bagiyimiriza mu 2020. So balina target nti buli mwaka balina connectinga abantu emitwalo 300,000 customers. Naye between 2018 and this year baconnectinze abantu emitwalo 24 245,310 customers beba connectinze.
Well, but here's the problem. Some people have paid the 20,000. Na mpaka kati they haven't been connected, Tariq. And some people, when this news came out, people took to social media ngabanyivu nyo. And they're saying we've paid. Some people have paid from last year in November. It has made 1 year. Nobody's electricity has been put in place. So at the end of the day, if you tell me to pay 2 million or more than 2 million, what guarantee do I have that my electricity is going to be connected? Kwanga, you told me that I will pay if I want very fast connection. If I want free connection in their government at the end of the day. For how long? And this is a scientific election, Tariq and Chris. We decided to say this is scientific, and we've seen the surge of COVID-19 numbers, the younger deo. That means whether we want it or not, we're going to come back to using radios and TVs. Nancy Kalembe, Yagambye, she doesn't have the money anymore. Okwogera ku radios, net TV. The ANC party president, Mugisha Muntu, Yagambye talina money anymore to deal with these things. So he's also calling upon Electoral Commission to pay airtime for these people. Oba, what they're going to do, they're going to stop the rallies. Kubanga centers of rallies nyingi nyo. So that means we're going to come back to doing what? Sitting on TVs and radios to campaign. But if there's no electricity in these rural areas, abantu tebalina TV and a radio, what's the way forward? TV agamanda.
TV yamanda. Ekyennaku nti abantu bano abadde basulako emitwalo gyabwe ebiri. Babadde balagira nti no, if they want nga baagala kukikwata amasanyalaze batopinge up. Either basasule oba tolina muti ogende kunyonya ebbiri oba oguyina nga weguli awosobola okugisula mu mwesa. Niyo omuntu watuke kuba nti yawayo emitwalo ebiri gyagala amasanyalaze kitegeeza talina busobozi. Era abalina obusobozi bakola ki? Omanyi wali tusoma gundi, wali tusoma history. Waliwo omukyala yava nagamba if you can't afford what? Bread, do what?
Eat cake.
Kyetulimu essaawa zineeno. Kubanga bw'obana emitwalo ebiri gye nawaayo busobozi bwa tonga kati ayitop up nfuna amasanyalaze. Oba onkundalira bukundaaliza. So obeeranga otwese mu begaffe abatalina busobozi. Ebintu binene bwe tubanga gavumenti erina ebintu bagamba nti balina ebintu bebaga nti biri essential bakulembeza okuba babiwa abantu. Tosula mu mbeera gyetulina okuba nti abantu amasanyalaze okitusuula ebbali. Sente zebanga bagenda mu COVID-19 zibanga zagenda. Security budget ya security sente nyingi bazitaddeko omwaka guneeno. Bakwate ku budget ezimu nga security na bikibeera bajje sente bazize bawa abantu amasanyalaze. Yeso agawonde security ogenda kubanga kasero ogula amadi vehicles patrols baleete empya zigenda kukuuma kizo zigenda kukwata mu kaseera kati. Ate abantu betaaga tugenda kuba tuli mu kaseera ng'abantu nga tufayogedde. Akalulu kagenda batambira ka social media na bikibeera. Mutaina musanyalaze soba kola TV soba kuza radio agenda kuba akikola ate so mutogera obajjeko eddembe okuba ndibafuna information but balina amasanyalaze so nibadde nsaba nti nga basobola okuba nga gundi abakwata budget bagije musanze bagiteka mu bintu ebirala naye bati bakwata abantu wamu balaba nti waliwo surplus bakomeko babatumse kubanga government obumanyizi bwayo kuba nti wamatuba y'amasanyalaze.
Speaking of supplies, Chris Wuno yayogedde ku sente that the government cut down because they couldn't afford to hold those parties. Bagambye that the budget that they have is too little, that they can't afford to hold those end of year parties, so they cancelled the end of year parties. Now before this, earlier last month, they cancelled the, how do they call them, like apart from payment, what you get, the little money that you get on the side, the allowances, they cancelled all that for government workers, the travel allowances, though they cancelled them because they're like, it also goes into the budget. And we were getting to a time where we're going bankrupt. Kubanga, the government has also stopped a number of NGOs from bringing in money into the country, and there are allegations that the reason that this is happening is because they're connecting that money to politics, and politics being Robert Chagulanyi. There was a session that was going on where an NGO came into the country and they were giving every Ugandan 200,000 Ugandan shillings a month. Government negamba, they question them over one, where do you get the money that you're getting? Two, as a center that you're giving our people, don't you think that you're making them lazy and they won't work? And at the end of the day, what is your motive in giving our people this money? So they chase them away, and you know, for their reasons, we say you had your reasons and you chase them away. But then it comes to a place where, aside from the fact that we've chased other NGOs from the country, aside from the fact that our accountability is very poor, that we have sources who were giving us aid, they have stopped and they've said we're no longer giving Uganda aid because they don't have accountability, corruption is at its highest, so we're no longer giving them a fund. So what is the solution for our country when it comes to the government being bankrupt enough to tell people connect your own electricity, and people being unable to even help the government in this situation? Tutu Sewa, even in the fight against COVID-19.
Well, I was trying to find out something here, that by 2016, twali tuyina megawatts 862 n'ensinga Uganda yonna, and there was a target by 2020 tujja kuba tusobola okukola okutuuka ku 1,681 megawatts. I think we are almost attaining that. I don't know, I stand to be corrected. How many megawatts does Isimba Dam produce? Is it more 500 something? 500 something.
But I know that's important information. But Simon Chris, how important is the megawatt information over what is happening right now?
That's what I was going to. Botubanga, we can attain to have solo kutoka ku 1,681 megawatts. Chitegeza, there is capacity to connect all Ugandans. Now it will be so sad for Kulabanti, most of this electricity is exported out of this country, and people benefit more than where it comes from. It takes you back to issue ya amazi. We are blessed with Lake Victoria. Nature naku nnyo nti amazi sawa zino bakyagaseera. Nti bwe gaba gagenze okidomolo gena kigula nusu wakati w'ebibiri n'ebisatu. Oba ebisatu n'ebitaano. Sijja kulaba nti jembera for security reasons.
Sebo nze jembera. Nega bategabuze. Sente zogereze tugagula. Wegabula tukofinga 5 ku 10. In Uganda here and in Kampala.
So embeera eyo tuyitako okutunulibwamu nti we need to enjoy our natural gifts. Ebirabo Katonda byatuwa nga ffe baki Bannayuganda. That's the reason why we call ourselves the Pearl of Africa. Kinakuwaza nnyo nti tuyina River Nile, tuyina babita ebiira gundi falls mutujja amasanyalaze naye ate n'amasanyalaze ge tukonsuminga ngaffe gakyali expensive.
Now manyi government kyejja kugamba they need that money that they're selling electricity with to run the country, because at the end of the day we can't depend on donations and taxes. The government has to have something that it sells.
Kiringa omutemi w'ennyama nga yagitunda ku butcher ninge wakawali abijanja.
But isn't that what is happening in Uganda? Do you know what is happening with the fish story in Uganda? The fish that we have, the number of things that is happening is badayo, the fleshy part of the fish, nabajitunda outside the country. They export it. And that's why even when, now it brings me back to the electricity conversation, even when we have rivers and lakes in our country, fish is still very expensive, very, very expensive. A poor man, a humble person cannot afford to buy fish and eat fish in the country. So at the end of the day, it brings us to the same conversation of exporting a lot of what we have, and at home you're eating bones. I need to make money. So I will sell the fleshy part and I'll take the bones at home and we will just eat soup at home because we need to make that money at the end of the day. But that is what is happening. So
unity ya nusu Lukaga 30 something,
and it raised up. It was before that it was around 4,000. It was ranging around 4,000.
So kati bwetubanga embeera tamulanga munyaze gaffe
President Museveni yatusuubiza nti come May next year
when we
unity bagenda gisala by 30 shillings, so baja gisala.
Is that enough?
I think.
Is that enough?
I don't know.
But OTT. I know I'm supposed to talk about some things positively, OTT. But it's hard. When you see the situation and what is going on, Tosowola, Tariq Nekris, OTT, and all of us access information on social media right now. We announced that it's going to be a scientific campaign. Now OTT is the same. There's almost 6,000 for OTT a month. So OTT is still the same at the end of the day. But if they're looking at cutting these costs, why don't they start with OTT? And where does that money go? The problem with Uganda is that we don't have accountability. And that's the problem. What is my money being used for? Until we get those answers. Please do.
To about 6 million people with smartphones. If you're to use social media on a daily, going to calculate a data for 200 times 6 million.
That's a lot of money. Zigendawa, because right now we are saying that we don't have money to fight COVID-19 anymore.
200 shillings.
200 shillings, just 200 shillings a day for OTT. And that's just a day. Because once you calculate that, multiply that number by a month, by a year, by Kwanga, that's how much money that is needed. But we are coming back to say one Tatulina
1.2 billion.
Okay. Tatulina Sente for connecting Masanyarazi now, and people who want Masanyarazi will have to wait for government-free electricity, and it will come in slower. COVID-19, 1,000 surge a day. We're running out of money to deal with COVID-19. ICUs are full, and people are taking care of their dead ones, and they're taking care of themselves at home. Electoral Commission Egamba Center is not enough for us to run these campaigns. Twetaga Center. Where are we going as a country?
No, let's move on to that. The Tobacco Electoral Commission, we need that today. Onakule Global receiving the ballot papers.
Yes, they did.
From Dubai.
Yes, they did.
Councillors.
Women MP. Yeah, women member of parliament.
I think we're expecting other 2 consignments.
Today.
Today, we our president.
The president, yeah.
Yes.
But the most amazing thing is that nalukira kuno omwamba Mr. Richard ali mu Electoral Commission mu PRO office yangamba nti obukonge buno kwana mubuuza bwe mukubira wabweru procedure ebeera etya, where is the trust generated? Nangamba gye babukubira bakandidate bonna abesimbyewo, let me say presidential candidate, buli omu alina syndical representative. Bwe tuba tulina 11 buli omu alina sindika, those are 11 representatives, babeereyo nga babukuba. Even in transportation it's supposed to be the same thing. Mpaka gye bagenda okuguterekera. But bwe twalabye olunaku olweggulo, no, recently opposition bava ne bagamba they don't have money to facilitate their people, because the Electoral Commission yagamba buli candidate oba buli party bwaba sendise representative, it has to be on their own cost, si cost ya Electoral Commission. So tebasobola kusindika representatives. N'olunaku olweggulo consignment bwe yatuuse wabadde representative wa FDC yes. Mpozi ne bana abalala batunira ebyokulonda nakuba nabyo Crispy Kahero yabaddewo n'abakugu okuva mu Electoral Commission. So katwebuuza bananenyani singa bagamba ati akalulu bakoze ki bakabye nti it was not free and fair, bananenya nga bali mu syndical representatives.
It's not about a blame game now. Aba bantu tebalina sente, and it's true. I'm not saying that some of the political parties tebafuna aid. I know some of the political parties bafuna aid and they're quiet where they are and they're using that money quietly and they're making sure that buli omu alaba muno tebalina sente yet they have money. Now to come out to the point whereby they're already running rallies. Amafuta gabu. And they're traveling around the country to try and get people to listen to them. I've told you Nancy Yavudeo to Mukunde Yavudeo Nebagamba Tebalina Sente. Simon Chris, if you don't have Sente to run the campaigns, how do you have money to go and check on the ballot papers?
But the parliament has because electoral commission
but it's not there anymore. They didn't receive it this time around. They didn't receive, yes, they didn't receive it this time around. But even when in these political parties they released the budget, a lot of people were complaining and saying, and we've talked about the method of how this money has been distributed. A political party that doesn't have a lot of representatives in parliament tefuna sente as much as the ones that has representatives. And for me, that is the worst part. Kubanga Katolaba, like NRM has more representatives than any other party. That means they get more money than these opposition parties that have just started because they don't have representatives. That means if you're a new party like Robert Chagulanyi Togenda Zifuna, Kubanga, you don't have representatives, your party does not have anyone. But if they really wanted to give that money, I would call for an equal distribution of that money among the political parties that are performing in our country. It's unfair for one party which already has resources to be given such an amount and these others get little amount of money and they're all going on the same campaign trail. So at the end of the day, Simon Chris, I don't blame them for not being there. Tebalina sente.
But again, Latifa, I blame them. What does it take?
It takes fuel, and it takes fuel from this side to the other side. How much is fuel?
Politics. Nataka tutunya anti kitebe cha mchono mu Kampala. NRM chechimu. FDC chechimu. DP chibona bali best mu Kampala. Tusanga ndi basoro kule mitwale na ijemo fobeta. Ovuga bwentebe kubisinga musajja. Nayenze nalalenga okusinga mutubano nga kuisiboga ebitebe tubitumya tubire banga oba butono nyine kutugasa. Bo bali gumu councillors na womana empire bagamba. Ogenda nabo lwali singa baganda presidential buze bona bajja kubeera. Bagale focus nyo jobane mu kulembeza bafya tukola nyenso biba na Uganda. Ndi abantu bana abakulembeza abawansi tubabuusa amaaso. Nebera baseera tunda kile kya okuchoka president chiko tunulira. Kibaga is there hours of a view tinaka lukani badeka chuka engiji katama mu system. Tuba tunatandikire wansi tuve ku LC chairman, tuve ku bakasara, tuve ku mayor, tusemene president. Banga abantu basinga sama ku da president kasabu tumana ko aka presidential. Nzebale bagira Bobi Wine oba mugisha mu ne batamulangirira ndi tawangudde sidamu kulondolonga nyingi batubye sidegenda okulonda ba mayor se kunagona baja tenga obukulembeze obuvunanyizibwa ko nganzo omuntu wawansi omuntu andikirwako I miss to missing out nnyo ogenda namba zize mukona ko president nga nene tugetuka kuba councillors nga bantu batano balonda so abantu tutunyanye ebintu katwagala ebintu ebinene obifocusinga kenyo nziriza ko ne era notice ndikubanti egenda NRM yasinise muntu wawo just because banyometi woman councillor wasibate woman MP utewina makuje tuli banda chine chinene ero wale kulanga bonna bayisewo.
But what we know is that ballot papers ezo ziva UK, South Africa and UAE. And the part that came for the woman MP for the 7 regions is from UAE and more is going to come. But Tariq, I still stand on my argument of saying those small things the Electoral Commission can do. Kubanga, when they are taking a representative to beta abantu banji nnyo, beta go muntu. So Electoral Commission is saying today the ballot papers are coming, buli omu asindike.
What's it kubira wane waffe?
You know the reason why we can't. Let me tell you why we can't. Tutandikire one. Tutandikire, it's not me. Tutandikire from the fact that even the candidates, apart from NRM, let me tell you, even the candidates themselves, Bagan.
Let's be realistic for sure.
Bagan.
I love Bubu. I love Bobo. Buy Uganda, build Uganda. But
thank you. Thank you. You have your answer, Tariq. Olina answer you. Yes,
let's move there.
Let's move there. Now, as we're moving to the other conversation.
Yes. Twagambye nti Isimba Dam it has about 500 megawatts, but the reality is, according to producer, now 183. It's producing 183 megawatts.
Isimba Dam ngabatu kubirako sente. Eranze bukasera Latifa tubeeranga kubisika ne Latifa nga awolereza nnyo kano Edith Nakalema. Nze mugamba nnyo era mu bukasera musinge mugamba kano Edith yali mukunkolera ku nsonga ya Isimba eyo. Sente kunyeza. Ate ne bakibira mu mizi.
I promise you one thing. I promise you one thing. I'll sit on this set and I will tell you each and everything Colonel Edith has done while in her tenure of power, Cheyakoze, and that project is one of them. But I'll sit here and tell you about it tomorrow, Tofayo. Now let's move forward with the conversation. The other conversation that has made headlines on social media is Robert Kyagulanyi endorsing Rutamaguzi from GP. He also endorsed people from FDC in Maracha. Two of them, we have Dennis or Guzuli Dennis, and he also had Chidri James also from there, and he also endorsed Charles Ayume, who is in the NRM ticket. Now, there's an interview I saw. Kadaga too from Kamuli, yes, he endorsed Kadaga too from Kamuli. So people are asking themselves the question of why is Robert Kyagulanyi doing this? Now, the funny part is that, no, come on, someone please, don't joke like that, Now, actually, that wasn't Robert Kyagulanyi. That was Frank Tumwebaze and another minister who came up to say, whatever Robert Kyagulanyi has started endorsing NRM members, very soon again endorsing the President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. So let's watch out. Kati, Bobby Wine called this the Roba Doba style of doing things. And that was a code name for the fact that he was endorsing people from different political parties. But as we're discussing it, from our perspective, Robert Kyagulanyi yavudewo, and he said, the reason why I'm doing this is we ought to have a political stand in this nation whereby the fact that you sit in parliament is not out of the fact that you're from one political party. Nagamba, where I am from, we need to be together. We need to have unity, and unity starts from the different colors that we have. If I, from NUP, can endorse the different colors in our country because of how much they can do, I trust that they can serve, then that is the way that we are to go. Now, people talked about Ayume Nebagamba, are you going to endorse Robert Kyagulanyi because he said that you're okay because Chidri James, after Bobby Wine endorsed him, yayimiride Nagamba, he's in FTC nayimiride Nagamba. Elect Robert Kyagulanyi. He's the best president that can run this nation. So people were asking themselves, will Charles Ayume do the same? He came up and said, no, I will not do it. I will still support my candidate, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. But the question still remains, Saman Chris and Tariq, why do you think Robert Kyagulanyi did what he did?
Well, Robert Kyagulanyi has always been subjected to all kinds of judgments, right from his lifestyle, his education levels, the way he does things. But according to me, I think it's a clear answer to all of those that subjected him to that kind of judgment. And that is a sign of maturity. According to me, it's a sign of maturity. Olwensonga tubadde wano buli lunaku nga we are castigating political parties. Nga twebuuza, do political parties in Uganda still make sense or not? Okay? And that is one thing that maybe the voters in Uganda, especially those that are in the support of the opposition, have always been fronting forward. That can't we have something that unites us as the opposition? Actually, I was pleased to hear him say that. And he is endorsing people in the FDC, he's endorsing people in the NRM. I mean, it takes maturity for somebody to reason that way.
Tariq, there are some people are saying that he's losing his grip. What do you think?
Well, tuli mu nsi awa mu Uganda yaffe tulina kyetuyita multi-party politics. Era nze nakibabuuzaako waneene, era nze kibuuza abantu bangi. Twali beeteefuteefu okulisifinga multi-party politics system. Era nze nalaba tetwali. Kubanga tetwagitegeera. Multi-party politics system bwebanga tuli multi-party, nze nga ndi FDC. I have to endorse FDC kwenye no kubanti mwana bwa mukola banti FDC kyolo alo president Museveni yakola statement n'agamba nti nze njagala kimu muletere NRM nayo kibanga kidomo no banga olyaja kujja buzinga na asumagira mu parliament nga bagamba NRM nga ayimuka na nawanika omukono kimba mukola just kujja kitita multi politics ntwera kubya abantu ba kibiina kyo era agasina genda wala nnyo njalo kusanyukira FDC kye yakoze FDC ina abantu be experience basatu nga kune Ingrid Trinawe nga ebagoba mukibe baspeninga mu kibiina kubanga bavude ku code of conduct ye kibiina bayina kawiro mu constitution yakagamba nti singa obo osimbe mu primaries nogwa tokisibwa kudanga independent so wera Ingrid yagoba mu kubakalu ne yakomyewo mandana ba 5 yabadde kya nagamba nti Trinawe tume experience ekibeta multi politics nobody Kyagulanyi ebe yakoze singa yasigala mu kibayita people power pressure group kubanga people power yagamba egatta abantu bonna mu kibiina kyonna kyonna goboli wene ne boli wachi we come as people power tujja twegatta wamu nga tusobola kuba twagala amaanyi g'abantu yabadde ali free okuba nti akola ekintu nze nkunganze yabadde waddemu okuba nti ayenda osengera gwe abayagenda okuba nti yenda osinga bono ali kukola ng'etandika bono abaana bajjanga ba NRM abajjanga ba DP abajjanga baaki era weyawandiisa ekibiina ekibeera nti kyali neegatta ku NUP abantu abamu baddako step baga nezeyo mu DP yange nezeyo mu gundi yange so esirimu gyakolwaliro singa abadde nti akyali people power nga pressure group it was okay. Secondly botuna politics esaawa zinene omuntu waliwo kye bayita nti waliwo abeera king w'ekyalo oba king w'ekitundu Simon Kwisikizo bagana bwogera mu kitundu kyonna kyonna ng'olina akalulu k'osaba wabeerawo zi king pin ezibeera mu kitundu kati bw'oba oyagala kusaba akalulu onobakoonako so ndowooza nti obalwa kubanga Kadaga bw'ogenda mu Busoga eyo tuba tulabiko mu kalulu ka NRM aka primaries Kadaga yayogera mu kigambo kimu nti guni parliament bansungwa temubawa abasoga ne baga mama akobye era akabifu bisa n'aba ministers balamba ne bakuba ballot kati bw'ogenda mu kitundu ng'ekyo noli Kadaga kingpin mukoneko ofuna abawagizi n'abakadaga nabo basike bakuwaka bw'ogenda ewayume kiyakoze ani twakirabye ayume mukoneko obo nabo basike bakuwaka but naye waliwo ne side endala y'ekyo ekintu twalaga no anite nga badde agamba nti ayume abamukuba mu kalulu anite statement ye bali wa people power era baleese omuntu waki wa people power yaferinga nabo okuvisa n'abajjana balonde kale kyokka kyagonja nagwayo najja n'agamba nti no endorsing ya ayume abiranga kukatiriza ebigambo bya gundi byanite nti ayume waki wa people power so nze nalabye nga mulimu obulipo bungi buli mu nsonga eyo esamatidde bulungi era nga alina akakazanyo kazannya ngazanyira ku bwongo bw'abantu either ayagala okutawo okukyangana kubanga bwona ogamba olwaleero noba kyagona agende osinza ayume banainaane bagenda gamba tetwabagamba eyo people power niri waliwo Kadaga ensi yonna yona Kadaga avayo n'agamba nti mu parliament singa si Kadaga singa Museveni takomba ekisajja kinene era wuliriza era ne bagiyiga nnyo ne bagamba nti Kadaga yatukola bubi nnyo yatukyaka Kadaga watutta owaye kyagala avuddeyo amwenda osinze kitegeeza.
No, to me I think like I say it takes maturity for somebody to reason that way because at the end of the day what Ugandans want is service delivery whether you come from NRM whether you come from FDC whether you come from NUP what Ugandans want tulina oluguudo olulungi laba gyeyabadde Joe Bobi Wine walabye kubo lyayisemu nze if I was Bobi Wine and they sinti wali member of parliament ali credible okulaba nti asobola okwogera ensonga eziruma abantu nga wa NRM I can endorse that person.
Simon Chris tuli mu multi-party politics.
I know
chibi emanga ndi wa NUP nina kuga NUP
antichembuziza
yes
nze olaba for somebody to reason that way akube bituli mu multi-party political dispensation twebuuza
kitegeezemu answer yange we are not ready for that
twebuuza bina bibituyambye oba nedda what we want as Ugandans is service delivery okay whether you come from any political party or no or you are an independent what we want is what to call it Robert Jiro Kyagulanyi abadde jjo wali omubaka wa parliament era nze ndaba nga kino Bobi Wine kibamukola okumujja ku main road omuyisa mu nguudo kimukolera ye ng'omuntu ga candidate ate kiyambako accountability eri government n'abalonzi nti buli kifo ekyo gye bamutwala wali omubaka waayo abaddeyo so kituyambako ku exposing our weaknesses zaabwe development alina gy'ataddeyo or not.
Simon Chris, we are in a situation whereby, just like Tariq said, when you're seated in an August house, when decisions are being made, the people who are supposed to vote. And you know how it has been. Now, because we have very few opposition party members in parliament, we've had people pass motions because NRM Yebanji. But here's the thing, Bobi Wine has also put a lot of people on a hot seat. Kubanga, where we are right now, Bobi Wine is showing the kind of maturity that Simon Chris is talking about. Kubanga, Tariq, we already have disunity in our country. We have seen bloodshed where we are from. And if we don't have this kind of mature politics, whereby one party endorses the other because they know what they're doing, then we have a problem. It shows that even when we have a multi-party system that you say we don't understand, you're showing the point whereby it is actually okay for us to be united even when we're in different political parties. Tariq Okolanyo, I'll endorse you even though you're not my friend, knowing that you can deliver services. However, before we go for a break, we have a comment from one of our viewers who says that Bobi Wine did what he did because Ayume is very strong in Koboko. He agrees with you. And he says Bobi Wine is very strong in Koboko and couldn't risk to dislodge him after he successfully getting rid of Anite. And he says basic political calculations. I endorse you, you bring me crowds, just like your reasons, Tariq. And he says, to attend the same crowding and having been mobilized with Bobi Wine during his campaigns. Even the Kamuli endorsement is the same story as Nani is strong. But here's the question, because Kamuli is strong, right? And Ayume is strong, right? But Bobi Wine could decide to go through Koboko and not endorse anyone. He can decide not to do that either, even when they have crowds. But for him to do that truthfully, I respected his decision to do that because I have never seen any political personnel who has come out to do that, regardless of the numbers. Because if Bobi Wine was not as smart as we thought he was, him endorsing it would mean that in parliament he's not going to have the numbers he had in passing the motions. But this only brings us to the table to discuss certain things, Simon Chris. If we are passing motions in parliament because it is our party that calls for it, then we have a problem. If we are passing motions because there's money behind those motions, then we have a problem. We should be passing motions because they make sense to Ugandans and they give services to Ugandans. Once we do that, political parties won't matter, money won't matter, but service to our people will be what matters.
The first show takes a very short break and we'll return with UNEP yafulumiza ennaku watugenda obanga babana ba primary 7 aba senior 4 n'aba senior 6 bagenda kubanga batulira ebigezo katukomewo after the break.